Okay, today topic is various possible solution of the one-dimensional wave equation UTT is equal to c square uxx by the method of method of separation of variables. Okay, this topic is very important for IA point of view, exam point of view. Okay, then observe here UTT. This is the wave equation. UTT is equal to c square uxx. Okay, UTT we are writing del square u by del t square is equal to c square del square u by del x square Okay, UTT is equal to c square uxx can be written as del square u by del t square is equal to c square del square u by del x square. Okay, then observe here, take down here u is equal to capital X and capital T, where capital X is equal to x of x and capital T is equal to t of t. Capital T is equal to t of t. Okay, be the solution of the PDE. Okay, we have to consider u is equal to capital X and capital T. Capital X is nothing but capital X of x and capital T is nothing but t of t. Be the solution of the PDE. Okay, then take down here this equation del square u by del t square by del t square. In place of u, here observe here, in place of u we have to substitute capital xt. Okay, then c square del square u by del x square, then in place of u, substitute here capital X and capital T. Okay, capital X and capital T. Then here observe here del square by del t square xt is there, partially differentiating with respect to t we have to do here. X is a constant, correct? X is a constant. Then take down, write down this type x into del square t by del t square. Okay, here observe here, partially differentiating with respect to xt is there. Okay, here del square by del t square means partially differentiating with respect to t, means x is a constant. Okay, write down x. Then write down here del square t by del t square. Okay, is equal to, then write down c square and observe here del square by del x square. Partially differentiating with respect to x we are doing, means t is a constant. Here t is a constant. Means capital T del square x by del x square. Okay, del square x by del x square. Okay, then next step what we have to do means here dividing throughout by, observe here x term, here I don't want to x term. Okay, and also I don't want here t term here. Okay, that's why I want to remove here, means dividing throughout by c square capital Xt, c square capital Xt. Then we have means observe here x divided by c square x capital T del square T by del T square is equal to c square T by c square capital Xt del x square by del x square. Okay, means here observe here x and x get cancelled. Here 1 over by c square capital T del square T by del T square then is equal to here c square get cancelled, T and T get cancelled, means 1 by capital X del square x by del x square, del square x by del x square. Okay, understood Karthik? Any doubt? I am audible now?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. No doubt.
The next okay, next. Okay, yes. Next step, observe here what is there here 1 over by c square capital T del square capital T divided by del square T square is equal to 1 by x del square x by del x square. Okay, this one we are writing in PDE, we are converting into differential equation. Okay, means observe here 1 by c square capital T d square capital T by dt square is equal to 1 by x d square x by dx square, d square x by dx square. The next step what you have to do means equating the both the side to common constant. Equating both the sides to common constant k. We have common constant okay, here observe here 1 by c square capital T d square T by dt square, we are taking capital K, then 1 by x d square x by dx square is equal to capital K Then next, first then I will write it this term first. Okay, d square capital X by dx square, then x is shifted to observe here x is shifted to RHS side is equal to kx. Then take down second c square by t square shifted to RHS side, this one shifted to this side. Okay, d square t by dt square is equal to kc square t, okay. Then next d square capital X by dx square is equal to kx. Then d square x by dx square, kx shifted to LHS side, capital K capital X is equal to 0. Then one more equation is there, no? That is d square capital T by dt square minus c square kt is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to here d square t by dt square minus c square kt shifted to LHS side minus c square kt is equal to 0. Okay, then here d square by dx square, call it as capital D, and also d square by dt square also you call it as capital D. Okay, then observe here d square by dx square, I am writing d square capital X minus kx is equal to 0. Then come to this equation d square t by dt square, I am writing d square capital T minus c square kt is equal to 0. Okay, then d square, take down here x common, first term and second term both having a x, take down here x common, d square minus k x is equal to 0. And come to this equation, take down here t common here. Okay, take down t common, d square minus t square k t is equal to 0. Okay, 1. Okay, case 1 I am taking k is equal to 0. Okay, then write down the equation d square minus k x is equal to 0, and one more equation d square minus c square k t is equal to 0. Okay, in place of k put it 0 here, in place of k put it 0, d square minus 0 x is equal to 0. Similarly in second equation also, in place of k substitute the 0 here, d square minus c square into 0 into t is equal to 0. Okay, here d square minus 0 is d square only, d square into capital X is equal to 0, d square minus this becoming a 0. Okay, d square t is equal to 0. Okay, then we need to find the auxiliary solution here, means m square is equal to 0, here also m square is equal to 0. But write the auxiliary equation, d square x is equal to 0. Write the auxiliary equation means in place of d you have to write down m square is equal to 0, and come to second equation, d square t is equal to 0. In place of d substitute here m square is equal to 0. Okay, then m is equal to 0 comma 0. Here also m is equal to 0 comma 0. Okay, then observe here d square x is equal to 0 is there. We have to write the solution here. Okay, solution is given by, solutions are given by capital X is equal to 0 means the roots are repeated and also real. Okay, if the roots are repeated, okay, if the roots are repeated, what we have to do means m1 and m2 are roots, m1 is equal to m2. That time how to write the solution here, yc is equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power of mx. Understood? Here m1 and m2 are repeated roots, m1 is equal to m2. The general solution is yc is equal to c1 c2x e to the power of mx, e to the power of mx. Okay, means here write down here c1 plus c2. Here variable is what, here capital X, you have to write down here capital X. Okay, then e to the power of e to the power of 0 capital X, 0 capital X. Okay, here capital X is equal to what is the value of e to the power of 0? E to the power of 0 values here 1, e to the power of 0 values here 1, means c1 plus c2 x in e to the power of 0 is 1, means x 1, means e to the power of 0 into x is what, e to the power of 0 only, means it is 1 here. Okay, means x is equal to c1 plus c2x. Then one more solution is there now, observe here, d square t is equal to 0. d square t is equal to 0 means m square is equal to 0 means m is equal to 0 comma 0. Okay, here t is the variable. D square t means t is equal to, the roots are repeated only. Okay, means t is equal to c1 plus a small x, c1 plus c2t into e to the power of 0t, e to the power of 0t means t is equal to c1 plus c2t, c1 plus c2t. Okay, then write the solution of the PDE. The solution of the PDE is, the solution of the PDE is u is equal to capital X and capital T. U, x value, your x is what here, c1 plus c2x into t is what here, t is c1 plus c2t. Okay, c1 plus c2t. Okay, in case 1 we got this type of solution. In case 1, if you put k is equal to 0, okay, we got u is equal to c1 plus c2x and c1 plus c2t. Take down here case 2. Case 2 is equal to, we have to take the positive. Let k be a positive. Let k be a positive. Say k is equal to plus t square. Take down k is equal to plus t square. What is the equation here? D square x minus k, d square minus k x is equal to 0. And one more equation here, d square minus c square k t is equal to 0. Okay, in case 2, in place of k, we have to substitute plus t square. We have to substitute plus t square. D square minus t square of x is equal to 0. And d square minus t square, in place of k, we have to substitute here p square into t is equal to 0 into t is equal to 0. The next step, we need to find the solution here. Okay, then write the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is nothing but, in place of d we have to substitute m. In place of d we have to substitute m. Here what is there here? Here d square is there. M square minus t square is equal to 0. Here in place of d square we have to substitute m square minus c square t square is equal to 0. M square minus c square t square. Okay, then m square is equal to p square. Then here m square is equal to minus c square t square shifted to RHS side. M square is equal to c square p square. Okay, then here m is equal to plus or minus t. Here m is equal to plus or minus cp. M is equal to plus or minus cp. Karthik, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next, write the solution here. Solutions are given by capital C is equal to C1 e to the power of C1 e to the power of, here x is there, C1 e to the power of m is equal to plus or minus p, means p comma minus p. The roots are non-repeated. The roots are non-repeated. Okay, means C1 e to the power of x plus c2 e to the power of px. And similarly come to here m is equal to plus or minus cp. Okay, here variable is here t here. Capital T is equal to c1 dash e to the power of cpt plus c3 e to the power of cpt plus c4 e to the power of minus cpt e to the power of cpt plus c4 e to the power of minus cpt. Then write the solution, final solution. The solution is capital plus u is equal to capital X and capital T. Okay, here capital X is c1 e to the power of px plus c2 e to the power of px, and t is what here? T is here c3 e to the power of cpt plus c4 e to the power of minus cpt. So then case 3, let k be a negative. So k is equal to minus p square. K is equal to minus p square. Okay. Then take the equation d square x minus d square minus k x is equal to 0, and d square minus c square k t is equal to 0. Okay. Then here we are taking k is equal to minus p square. D square minus k values here minus p square minus p square x is equal to 0. Then d square minus p square, in place of k substitute here minus p square into t is equal to 0. Okay, means d square minus into minus plus p square x is equal to 0. Then d square minus into minus plus p square into t is equal to 0. Okay. Then write the auxiliary equation here. M square plus p square is equal to 0. Means m square plus p square shifted to RHS side minus p square. Means m square is equal to plus or minus IP. Okay, then take down here next second equation d square plus p square t is equal to 0. Okay, m square plus p square is equal to 0. Means m square plus p square shifted to RHS side minus p square means m square is equal to plus or minus ICP. Okay. Then here the solution is complex number. Okay, yc is equal to complex number, means plus or minus p plus or minus iq. How to write here? c1 cos px e to the power of px c1 cos qx plus c2 sin qx. Okay, this is the solution. Then we have only plus or minus iq is there, means we have to write c1 cos qx plus c2 sin qx. Okay. Then here m square is equal to plus or minus ip c1 cos px plus c2 sin px. Okay. Here capital X is equal to c1 cos px plus c2 sin px. Then y is equal to C1 cos CPT plus C3 cos CPT plus C4 sin CPT. Then write the solution here. The solution of the PDE is the solution of the PDE means U is equal to capital XT. Okay, means here in place of C1, write down here C1 cos, in place of X, observe here, in place of X we have to write down C1 cos Px plus C2 sin Px. Okay, and this is T here. T is equal to C3 cos CPT plus C2 sin CPT. In place of T you have to write down here C3 cos CPT plus C2 sin CPT. Okay, this is the required solution. And also very important.